In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in ClickUp by creating task groups. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure all your team members are on the same page. Let's get started by heading over to ClickUp, open up your browser and go to clickup.com. If you haven't done so already, sign into your account. This will bring you to the home page where you can easily access your tasks and start organizing them. Once logged in, navigate to the Spaces section on the left sidebar. Spaces are essentially the main categories or departments within your ClickUp workspace, and choosing the right space is crucial before grouping your tasks. From your list of spaces, select the one you want to work with. This could be anything from marketing to development, depending on your organizational structure. After selecting your space, the next step is to click on the specific list or project that contains the tasks you're planning to group. Lists in ClickUp are parts of a space where individual tasks reside. They're essential for breaking down larger projects into manageable segments, so always ensure you're working in the correct context. With your list or project open, you'll see all the associated tasks displayed. To group these, start by selecting the tasks you want by clicking on the box icon next to each task. As you do this, you'll notice these tasks becoming highlighted, indicating they're ready for the next step. It's important to select only those tasks you want in a specific group, as this step determines what gets bundled together. Now that you've selected your tasks, look towards the menu at the top and click on Customize. The Customize option in ClickUp provides a range of further management tools that allow you to tailor how your tasks are displayed and organized. Delving into this menu is crucial because it sets the foundation for our next steps in grouping. Within Customize, you will find an option labeled Group. Go ahead and click on that. The Group option is especially beneficial because it allows you to categorize tasks according to different metrics, which we'll explore in just a second. Next, you'll want to click on Status. Using Status as a grouping factor is a fantastic way to immediately understand the current state of your tasks, whether they're in progress, completed, or waiting to be started. This can help anyone looking at the list to quickly gauge what needs attention. For a bit more granularity, another fantastic option is to group by priority. Clicking on Priority will allow you to organize tasks based on their urgency or importance, which can drastically improve how you allocate resources and time. Prioritizing tasks means no more overlooked deadlines, ensuring work proceeds smoothly and efficiently. That's all there is to it. You've successfully grouped your tasks in ClickUp, which will hopefully help you and your team to stay organized and focused. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.